Hi Bryce, my name's Kyle with Millsap Digital Marketing here in Scottsdale. I wanted to reach out and make you a video that will bring you and your business value. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can personally optimize your website and drive in traffic. So I have 3 tips I'd like to share with you. My first tip is content and keywords. Now what Google cares about is not how awesome your website looks, but what kind of content is on your page. Google typically, they want to see a lot of content, and the websites that have the most content are going to be the ones with the most authority on the topic. Google wants to give its users the best experience possible by ensuring it has everything that they need. So I recommend that you have at least 1,500 words on your page. So when I go into your page and I push Command A, Command C to copy everything, I take it over here to wordcounter.net and I plug it in. You currently have 772 words on your home page. Now, the number 1 competitor in Phoenix that's being ranked number 1. This is going to be Phoenix Electricians today. If I go into his page, copy it, and paste it into here, he has 949 words. So they would be super easy to beat out. You just have to put 1,500 words on there. So along with that content, you need to have buyer intent keywords. Buyer intent keywords are the words people are typing into the Google search bar. So we use this tool called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool, but it buys data from Google. And with this tool, I can search for buyer intent keywords. So I looked up electrician in Phoenix, and I picked 3 just as a small example of keywords that should be on your page. So you have electrician Phoenix AZ, Phoenix electrician. Just these 3 keywords here are being searched 900 times a month. That's a lot of potential customers. Now when I go into your page and I push Command F and I type in Phoenix Electrician, it's nowhere to be found on your page. One way that you can use keywords in your page is by making sure that all of your images are saved properly. So when I go into your image, I click Save As, your image is saved as these numbers here. I would in turn save all these pictures as those buyer intent keywords. Now when I go over to your competition, he has Phoenix Electricians listed 5 times right here on the home page. Phoenix Electricians, and he has it 3 more times down here. So Google's able to find them for that and rank them. So now my second tip is going to be backlinks. Backlinks are links throughout the web that when clicked on will bring the user back to your site. Backlinks are very important. It is essentially having a popularity contest, and the ones that have the most backlinks are going to win. Google's looking at other sites that are pointing at you and vouching for you, basically saying, hey, they're really trustworthy, or they offer a great service. But not all backlinks are created equal. You want to see backlinks that are relevant to you, such as other electrical websites or home improvement sites that have links linking back to you. You don't want to have backlinks coming from, say, Pizza Hut, because, well, you're not a food company, so the more relevant, the better. Now, I also use Ahrefs to check on these backlinks. And like I said, it is a paid tool. There are free tools out there, so all you have to do is just Google backlink checker or keyword finder, and you can find some free tools that way. So this is your website at the moment. You have a URL of 0. That's how powerful your site is. This is domain rating, and that's how trustworthy Google sees your site. You have 0 organic traffic, and referring domains, they are websites that have links to your website on them, and that results in backlinks. So when I go over here to Phoenix Electricians today, he has a URL of 28, the power, the domain rating of 1.9 trust factor. You actually want these 2 numbers to be as close together as possible. You want to shoot for a ratio of 1. He has an organic traffic of 455 people per month. Say if half of that even turns into a phone call, that's 227 people a month calling. And if 15% of that turns into a job, that's an extra 35 jobs a month. Now he has 91 referring domains or 91 websites, giving him a total of 591 backlinks. So how do you get these backlinks? Well, you just go into these referring domains, and each and one of these websites has a link linking people back to his website. And you can do exactly the same. You can go into each one of these websites. Some of them, all you have to do is just set up a profile and add your phone number that way, or your website that way. Others, you're going to have to go in and go to the contact us and email the owner, and they might hit you back with a small fee to be able to advertise on their website. Now, my last tip for you is going to be get to the #1 spot in the Google Map Pack. That's this area here. In my opinion, it's one of the best spots to be in. So if you're anything like me and you're trying to search for a service that you've never used before, so I live in Phoenix, but I don't know an electrician. I'm going to type in electricians Phoenix. This will be one of the first things that pops up here. And I'm going to immediately see T&K Electric. They have 148 reviews with 5 stars. I mean, it seems like a no-brainer to me. It just seems to be one of the most trustworthy people to go to on the website. So they're going to be the first to come and bid on a job. So how do you beat them out? You have to have more citations than that they have. And a citation is your business name, your business address, and your business phone number posted in more directories throughout the internet than that they have. Now, there's thousands of directories. You have Better Business Bureau, Yelp, White Pages, Yellow Pages. They even consider Facebook a directory nowadays. So I hope this was helpful for you. Just a quick recap. You can easily blow your competition out of the water by putting 1,500 words of content on your home page with those buyer intent keywords. Then get all the backlinks your competition has and get them linking back to you. Finally, add your business name, your business address, and your business phone number, all spelt the same, all across the internet in more directories than your competition has. If you follow these 3 tips, you will drive in more traffic to your website, which will result in more phone calls, which will result in more jobs you get to bid on, which is, going to be more revenue for your business. So you're probably wondering what you can do now. You can take all this information I gave you and you can apply it yourself. And I totally encourage you to do that. It does take some time, so I would advise you to get started sooner than later, only because it does take a little bit of time to get your website to rank to the top. So if you have any questions for me or you need any sort of help, you are more than welcome to reach out to me. My phone number is 480-605-0508. Thanks for watching, Bryce.